I tell you guys, a lot has happened over the last few months. It has been insane, like seeing what's happening. Ended up doing some advertising on like Freeman, and caught like a small technician job doing just a diagnosis, and then ended up working on a very, very nice boat. So it's really nice. I'm doing a repair on the trim. Also doing an acid job, make that look good. Doing some before and after. I'll definitely show some more detailed stuff on it. But yeah, I got my first big break, and yeah, we'll see what happens next. See if this starts spreading. So excited to see what happens.